say that pretty much where that wall back there is was the only place that you could stand in the basement at the old site, and everything in front of that was literally like sandy dirt.
Oh, okay.
And
be like right in front of it, and that's a huge thing for me, is having outdoor space and like nature, even if it is city, like seemingly nature. Back to that, but like their downtown was so different too, with
Yeah.
like a big Herbolsheimer store,
Right.
and like just huge mall department type stores, that and now that's the police building, like